The IKOVWUK 4x360 laser level kit offers an impressive four-dimensional laser projection, providing comprehensive coverage with both horizontal and vertical lines for versatile applications. Equipped with a finely adjustable magnetic bracket, this laser level ensures precise positioning in various directions, making it suitable for both everyday tasks and professional projects. The inclusion of two high-capacity batteries allows for extended operation of up to 10 hours, ensuring that you can complete a full day's work without interruptions. A convenient remote control feature enables quick adjustments from a distance, enhancing user convenience and efficiency, even when obstacles are present. This multifunctional laser tool is designed with a variety of attachments, such as a wall clip and a rotating base, to accommodate different construction scenarios. With its dual-mode leveling capabilities, the IKOVWUK laser level can automatically self-level or be manually set for use at any angle, catering to diverse user needs.